Good morning, dear students. I am Shubha Tripathi and I am going to teach you science. Now we are going to do revision, and in this revision we will start from the new chapter, first chapter, and that chapter name is testing to digesting food. Now food, we just know food is our basic needs, and we eat food because it gives us energy, it helps us to grow, it fights against diseases, and it helps us healthy and stay healthy and fit. Some types of foods are like rice, wheat, vegetable, fruits, pulses, eggs, meat, fish, milk, etc. are the food. Food contains some substance called nutrients, carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. And food are of three types: energy giving food, body building food and protective food. Energy giving food, body building food and protective food. Energy giving food are carbohydrates. Carbohydrates have a lots of energy to do work, play and study. Sugar and starch are some examples of carbohydrates. We find the carbohydrates in wheat, rice, potatoes, maize, sugarcane, honey, banana and sugar candy. Now fats are also energy giving food like carbohydrates. Oil, ghee, butter, cheese and nuts are the examples. Bodybuilding food, proteins are found in food like milk, egg, cheese, pea, pulses, fish and meat. Proteins are the are called the building blocks necessary for life. They help our body to grow. They also repair the damaged parts of our body. Thus children need more nutrients than adults as they grow faster than adults. So these are the body building foods. Protective food, vitamins help our body to fight against diseases and keep us healthy. Vitamins are found in green vegetables, fruits, milk, fish, sprouts, grams, meat and egg. Minerals are required for strong bones, teeth and blood. They also keep us healthy and fit. Milk, green vegetables, brown rice, curd, fresh fruits and liver are rich in minerals. There are different types of minerals. Examples are calcium, potassium, iodine, sodium and iron. Now the next topic, water and roughage. Water makes up 3/4 of our body weight. It helps our body in many ways. It helps to digest and absorb the food properly. It helps us to remove the body waste in the form of urine and sweat. It forms an important constituent for many parts of our body such as blood, skin, digestive juices, etc. An adult person may drink 8 to 10 glass of water daily. Now roughage is another name of fiber. It occurs naturally in fruits, vegetables, grains. It helps us to clear our stomach. Now balanced diet. The food that we eat daily is called diet. A diet must contain all the nutrients in the right amount. A diet that contains carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals in the right amount is called the balanced diet. A balanced diet can help you healthy and fit. Now digestion of food. The process by which food is broken down into simpler substances is called digestion. Digestion takes place in the digestive system. The human digestive system consists of mouth, windpipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, pancreas, rectum and anus. You have to learn this diagram and also what is the function. These all the bodies. Now preparation of food. First is raw food. Fruits and some vegetables like carrot, cucumber and radish can be eaten raw. We should take care to wash the fruits and vegetables thoroughly before eating. Now cooked food. We cook food in order to make it soft and tasty. Cooked food is easily digested. Cooking also kills germs present in raw food. Some food lasts longer when cooked. For example, raw fish and meat turn bad very soon. But if cooked, they last longer. Boiled milk lasts longer than fresh milk. Now different food habits. We have On the basis of the different food habits, we have vegetarian and non-vegetarian. People who eat food grains, fruits and vegetables and no meat or eggs are called vegetarians. Non-vegetarians, people who eat meat, fish and eggs along with vegetables, food grains and fruits are called non-vegetarian. Now junk food, fried or oil-rich foodstuffs are very tasty, but they are unhealthy for us. They contain too much of oil, fats and sugar. Eating these foods frequently makes us fat. These foods are called junk food. Samosa, potato chips, pizzas, burgers and pakoras are the junk food. Healthy ways of cooking food. Always cook food in a pan covered with a lid and cook on slow fire. Do not wash vegetables and fruits after cutting them. Do not throw the water in which you soak washed seeds like gram, kidney beans. Use this water for cooking because it has all the water soluble nutrients. Do not throw out extra water after boiling rice or vegetables. Do not overcook or overboil food while cooking. Food preservation. Now here are some examples. By refrigerating it. If we refrigerate anything like cooked food, raw vegetables, fruits, meat, fish and milk can be preserved in a refrigerator by keeping them in low temperature. Salting and picking. Some raw food items like raw mango, tomato and fish can be preserved by putting them in salt and drying in the sun. Salt acts as a preservative. Putting in sugar solution. Some food can be preserved by preserving them in sugar solution. Some examples are jam, jelly and murabba. Sun drying. Some food items are simply dried in the sun after chopping and even when intact. For example, resin, dry onions and peas. Now this is a revision of this chapter. Now you have to read this chapter again at your home. Thank you.